Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you will find and feel fresh. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you use round, chamfer, and a lot of things over here. But right now it is hidden because for that we first need a solid body. So for that I will choose this plane, sketch, and make it normal. This time I will draw a center rectangle, assign the dimension, keep it this is 200, sorry, keep this is 400, and check OK. Just come to extrude, and this is better. Okay, I have extruded it, and right now what I should do, I'm going to show you how can you use the round. And round we have two things, right? Just come to round and select this one, select the edges by pressing the control key and hold the control key. Okay, the edge that you wanted to round it, that you have to specify the radius over here now. Okay, right now I'm keeping it 12. Whatever you want you can keep them, or you can assign the radius over here as well, like 23, and just confirm it. Okay, so this is how you can round the sharp edges or whatever. And right now what I'm going to show you, how can you use the outer round. So let me show. Okay, just click on the outer round, and this time I will press the control key and okay, an outer round. So what does it, or how does it works? Okay, actually in outer rounds automatically the system would generate the rounds throughout the whole bodies. Okay, like this time I'm keeping it 12, and let me show how. Okay, so actually the system generated the rounds at the corners. Okay, automatically it will generate. So this is how you can use the round and add rounds where it is needed, so you can use. And actually right now how chamfer, so actually and chamfer will chamfer the edges, or even you can chamfer the corners. So first of all I will show you how can you chamfer the sharp edges. So just click on chamfer, and here the corners that you want to chamfer, just click that. Okay, so this time, and the chamfer distance is, this time I will release it up to 12, and just confirm it. Okay, so just come to chamfer and this one. Okay, this is 12 right now. You can increase or decrease it from here. Here, come to set. You can see a lot of things over here by yourself. Okay, but just the basic things is how can you chamfer. Okay, so actually just you know the concept, and where it is needed, like this one, this corner, and this corner. Okay, just press OK. And well, sometimes we needed to chamfer the corners rather than to chamfer the sharp edges. Okay, so for that come to corner chamfer, and this time the system will automatically detect, or it will snap that point that you wanted to chamfer. Just click on that point, and over here, and the fourth by clicking the control and holding. Okay, okay, so you can do actually, and whatever the edge you want you can chamfer that, and keep the distance. Either in this case we have two distances, so either you can keep them equal, either you can keep them different one, and whatever you want. Okay, so this is how you can do the chamfer of the corners. And probably you like this video. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so that to receive the interesting videos notification to you people. So thanks for watching.